Hi everyone, welcome to the 5th edition of SSoC 2026. This is a 2.5 month long open source program. And before anything, thank you Palash for all these designs. They are amazing. Obviously, even it is generated by Gemini, but thank you for those designs. Okay, so recent times, there was a lot of people who have joined our program and they are all very much new and totally beginners. The main idea about this series is in a video tutorial or a video series, I'm going to teach you all how to make the best use of this program. I hope this will be very interesting for those people who are doing this for the first time. It will be really cool. There are 3 types of people: contributors, project admins, and mentors. So there are like so many questions for every one of them. And there is also campus ambassadors as well. So for every one of you, this video series will be really helpful. So we will be officially starting this whole series by June 1st, and the projects, chosen projects, particular projects, they will be released on the May 30th. Please make note of these dates and don't miss the opening ceremony tomorrow. I have been looking at all your comments and everything, every discussion that is happening in the general chat of Discord as well. I will be answering every single comment, every single question in this video series. All you need to do is stay up and stay on top of all the discussions that are happening in the Discord. You will definitely get through this in an amazing way. How many of you are interested? How many of you are excited for the first video tomorrow? But before that, we have a live stream. We have an opening ceremony tomorrow, early in the morning for me in the UK, but it should be morning for you in India. So don't miss it. Let's meet tomorrow in the live stream. Ask any number of questions, and I'm going to do a lot of video tutorials here. And we are also going to launch the latest program dashboard as well. That will be happening this week too. I'll do a lot of testing this time, and I'll make sure that none of your projects are omitted or none of your participation is omitted. Okay. I hope everyone is enjoying. Please make sure you are making a lot of friends, explore all the projects that was released today, and be ready for the ultimate game. See you all. Happy open source.